If you guys want to know how I got that stock airbox on my intake to sound like it's a cold air intake, just continue watching this video and then you'll find out how I did it. Appreciate you guys for even clicking on this video. Thank you. Hey, what's going on, Beamer fam? Today I'm gonna actually do some customizing on my intake box and then basically show you the process of how I'm doing it, because living where I live, obviously you don't want to be too obvious, so I'm actually going for like kind of like that stealth build, you know, where everything's kind of a incognito, where you can't really tell if it's OEM or has mods, you know what I mean? So right now I'm just gonna go to the hardware store and find some hole saws and some other miscellaneous items, and then I'll show you what I'm actually building with that intake box. Well, I'll see you guys in a bit. So I don't know if you can hear my car right now, but right now I don't hear any you know, induction noise, no turbo sounds, and I want the turbo sounds, man. All right guys, so this is the stock airbox right now. I'll just basically move this rubber grommets here, and then hopefully I don't have to take everything out, because I'm not doing anything to the top. I am just taking the bottom portion out, and then we shall go from there. And then I'm gonna take it upstairs. It's about to rain and get all windy, so not about to be in that. So and then there we have it. Basically the bottom doesn't even have anything mounted, so just picked it up real easily. All right guys, so I'm in my apartment right now, and then this here is the bottom of the stock airbox. Then as you can see, it even got like the little barcode and everything. So what I'm gonna essentially do is drill some holes, or I might even just cut a big old square up right there where, I don't know if you can see that area right there. And then so hopefully it'll make some more induction sound, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna basically put you on a, well, not really a time lapse, but me shutting the hell up, and just you can watch the video. All right. A little bit overboard, but as you can see, got a square here. This is on the bottom side of the intake, and then, which was perfectly, the hole saw size I got was a perfect size for this little area right here. So this is like the front of the airbox. So if you're looking from up top, you won't see anything, and then you'll have all of that air, free-flowing air, just going through your intake, your airbox. And then what the good thing is that I'll still be able to use those drop-in filter, which this is just a paper one, but I'm gonna upgrade it to a K&N probably today. I didn't have time to go buy it today, but I'll pick it up later. So there we have it. This is all I'm about to do. I don't want to do anything here. Dang, the wind has messed up my hair. But that's a little bit of a struggle to get it out. Not really, I guess, but let's see how it sounds for a first start. Definitely a little better. All right, let's see how it sounds outside. Let's set this camera for you guys. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear it, guys. Especially with the window down. It's not absurdly loud, but you can definitely hear it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I'm enjoying this bowl of noodle right now. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll be posting more consistently for you guys. I might just do a series, but that's all in the process. Once again, thank you guys. Type V crew, let's go.